Classic Cars vs 2025 Cars. Classic cars and 2025 cars have distinct differences in terms of design, technology, and maintenance. Let's dive into the details. Classic cars. Classic cars are timeless treasures that require special care and attention. When it comes to detailing, classic cars need gentle cleaning products and techniques too. Preserve their original finish and materials. Why? Here are some key aspects of classic car detailing. Thorough inspection. Before detailing, inspect the car for signs of wear and tear, rust, and other damage. Gentle cleaning products. Use high quality, gentle cleaning products specifically designed for classic cars. Attention to detail. Pay attention to every nook and cranny, including the engine compartment, wheel wells, and undercarriage.